Ningependa kupeana hakikisho kwamba uchaguzi wa UDA ambao unaanza tarehe 26 unaenda kukuwa free and fair. Sisi ndio chama ya kwanza tangu historia ya demokrasia Kenya kufanya uchaguzi wa grassroots. UDA inaenda kufanya uchaguzi kutoka polling center mpaka nationals. Na party leader wetu wako na himizo kwa all leaders in UDA kwamba muwe na hakikisho kwamba UDA inaenda kuwa na free and fair elections. These are going to be the first grassroots elections conducted electronically. Kwamba tunaenda kutumia mtandao wa digital kupiga kura katika polling center yako. So this is an achievement and a milestone in the journey of democracy of Kenya that should be celebrated. People should be confident that we are going to conduct a free and fair grassroots election. We want to urge everybody who wants to or who aspires to be a leader to use this opportunity as a platform of leadership, start nurturing and incubating your ideas of being a leader on this very important platform, and therefore encourage all Kenyans to first of all register as members of the UDA party, because this is the governing party. This is a party where we appreciate women, we appreciate people living with disability, and we nurture young leadership. And therefore, I want to affirm here as the Secretary General that we are going to have free and fair elections.